Generate income online with something that interests you. If you want to make cash online, you need to start with an item or a theme that appeals to you. It could be a pastime or something you delight in checking out about or maybe seeing on television. Every day, countless individuals sit down in front of their computers and type into an online search engine the word earn money online, how to make money online, or earn money working online. They are given countless outcomes that in a brief matter of time will confuse anybody regardless of their previous internet capabilities. Who do you trust? What is the best item? How do you generate income? A better method to do this is to enter the word affiliate program for XXXX and replace the X's with something that interests you. Here is a way to begin making money around the pastime. They will provide you with your own site and provide you ideas on how to make sales utilizing it. This is called your affiliate site and you will be making cash doing affiliate marketing. Another thing you can do is purchase off of your affiliate site whenever you need something for yourself. Conserving money on individual purchases is another method to generate income online. Making money online is easy as referring people to your affiliate website. You can do that every day with people you speak to. Or you can begin to find out how to use the internet to promote your website and refer traffic to it. Making money with an affiliate site is no different than earning money with your own store. You need to have traffic come to it to make a sale. But once you get traffic in your affiliate site, takes control and makes the sales, gathering the money and ship the items. And you make commission which leads to a payment to you. Now that is a terrific method to generate income online, or what? Get started and discover some excellent affiliate programs to join around something that interests you, and you will be making money online in no time. If you desire to make cash online, you require to begin with a product or style that appeals to you. Making money online is as simple as referring individuals to your affiliate site, as I've already said. It's simple. You just refer individuals to your affiliate site. Making cash from an affiliate site is no different than making money with your own store, as I've already said. Once you get traffic into your affiliate site, the site takes over and makes the sales, collects the cash and ships out the products. Now, isn't that an excellent method to make cash online, or what? Now, just to let you know, you must do searches for things you're joining on the internet. Once you know what program you're going to join, pop it into Google, search. There come up with pages of information for you so you can understand what you're getting into. Same with traffic. Getting sales and getting traffic isn't as easy as people make out. I know. I've been through it all. In the end, you land up finding the best ways to do it. You can get free sites with pages that send out emails with your site link in them, and you can also get paid sites that will send out your link for you. Always do searches. You got a choice of Google, which I always think is the best. And if you want a video to show you what you're getting into, then YouTube and put in how to and whatever you're searching for. That works. They come up with a lot of videos. You scroll and scroll, pick what you want. They'll come up with a program. If you name your program you're going after, they'll come up with that. You'll get reviews, etc. on there. So I wish you all the best in your internet marketing. If you like my videos, press the link below. This helps me on YouTube. Also, there's a button up the top. Click on that button, then press all, and you'll get informed when I put my next video up on YouTube. Also, you'll find links under my videos. They are affiliated links of mine. They're programs that I use on the internet. Some are programs you buy, some are programs to join. If you do any of these, I will get a commission, a small one, but every bit helps. So once more, please press the like button, do the bell, push all, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for being here and watching this video. My name's Ian Jackson, and I wish you all the very best on your internet venture. So may I say once more, press the like button. Thank you, and hope you come back again. Cheerio.